If you're looking for a synth that punches way above its weight in terms of price to performance ratio, then the Behringer Neutron is a pretty good choice. It has a few quirks, but it offers a rich palette of sound shaping capabilities, which makes it an excellent tool for budding synthesists or seasoned musicians. Now, while generally impressive, there is a few caveats. For example, the delay has a somewhat lo-fi texture to it, which some people may love, but others might not be what you're looking for. The envelopes have a relatively short release time, which might limit you if you're after long, more sustained sounds, and the unit could probably benefit from an additional VCA and LFO. But besides that, it is genuinely a great piece of kit. Let's keep the price point in perspective. At this price, it has a substantial list of features that would cost significantly more even just a few years ago. So if you're after a diverse range of sound capabilities at great value, then the Behringer Neutron delivers in spades.